Good morning. It's Dr. Andrea Mills with Restoration Chiropractic, and I'm here with Paula Reid. Paula's been coming to me since when? November,
I think.
So I'm actually going to turn the camera around and go that way so you can actually look at her. Hang on a second. Okay, that light's right behind you, so let's go this way. Awesome, that's beautiful. So Paula's been coming to me since November. She's a fairly famous quilter, so if you're in the quilting circles, you might know who she is. And she did not get adjusted today. So
Yay!
I know, we're going to talk about that. So Paula, what's it like? What brought you in originally?
Back pain, lower back pain. I spend 30 weeks a year traveling, planes, strange beds, rental cars, wear and tear on the body. So I came in because I was on a leave 5 times a week, and I was not happy about it.
That stuff's nasty for your stomach, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. And then how soon after you started coming in did you start to notice results?
Oh, gosh, probably about 6 weeks. I was the same for a while.
Right.
And then I got better. But since I started coming to you, though, I've only been on pain medication 2 weekends in all those months.
Nice.
Where it felt that bad that I had to take meds. So I stopped taking the meds immediately when you first started adjusting me.
Awesome. And you guys have to understand, Paula really does travel almost half the year. So I've only seen her a couple times in the last couple of months because she's been gone. So then what's it like? What's it like after you get adjusted?
Well, you seem to hit just the right spots. So after I'm adjusted, I'm really, really happy. And it just feels so much better because I'm also active in that I weight lift 3 times a week. I walk several miles every day. I'm not a typical 70-year-old.
Right. You're not 70 yet.
Well, November
she will be, yeah. So Paula's going to be 70 in November. And then what's it like when you come in and you don't get adjusted?
That is such a big hooray. I just throw my arms in the air and I yell, yay, because I know that the adjustment from last week held.
Yeah.
So that makes me really happy that the muscles and everything are being trained to hold the way you want them to.
Yep, that's super exciting.
Yep.
Thank you for sharing your story.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, if you'd like to find out information on how you can come in and get similar results, give me a buzz. My number is 818-661-6369. A good place to start is just a consultation to see if we're a good fit and if I think I can help you. Talk to you later. Be grateful, have fun, and love lots. Mwah.